Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's CJ Brand here, and we're back with a brand new video. And today we're actually going to be unboxing the Rode Wireless Go microphone. Of course, you know me, I'm tired of using these wires. You know, wires has definitely been depleted for quite some time, but sometimes they may help us out and sometimes they may not help us out, man. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox, like I said, the Rode Wireless Go today. You can see that the camera getting that focus right there. So let's go and get straight into it. Unbox this. We're actually gonna do a sound test as well, and we'll see. As of right now, I am currently using the Pop Voice lavalier microphone. So what I'm gonna do is this. You guys can obviously hear this right now. I never edit my my sound, like from my microphone quality at all. So you can hear the raw sound from the Pop. This doesn't have a filter on here at all. But once I go ahead and unbox the Rode Go, what I would do is go ahead and unbox it, set it up, put it on the camera, and clip this on. And then we'll do a comparison as well between the Pop versus the Rode Go. Let's go and get straight into it, man. We don't even need an unboxing knife because, I think I might have lied. I think I might have lied. Nah, it's just all glue. There's no tape on here at all. So I guess I got no other choice but to just rip the box. So let's go ahead and rip the box open because, like I said, it ain't no tape. It's all glue. Damn, this one hard tape. Damn, we got made this box for the Hulk. God damn. All right. My Lord. Oh shit. All right, man. So we got it unboxed. Here we go right here. You know, little stuff up inside. So it looks like attached they got the Rode microphone information. Let's go ahead and unclip that. Show you guys this. Looks like it's just like, you know, little small information just to tell you know, like, hey, this is the microphone. This is how you use it. This, that. We never read this, honestly, but we may have to read it one day. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be that one product gonna come out that I don't know nothing about and I gotta fix. So that's that. Also looks like inside here it comes with the carrying case. Yeah, it looks like I can go to put the, you know, the microphone inside their little personal carrying case. So I wouldn't even call, yeah, I guess you can call this like a carrying case, but me personally, I may have said it's just, it's a pocket. It's a pocket. It's something that I need. Then it also comes with two wind muffs. I thought it was leaking. Two wind muffs, you know, if you don't want to hear anything anymore. I'm just playing. Comes with those little things right there, man. And then inside, of course, you know, we got the two microphones itself. So it looks like that this piece right here is actually going to be the microphone. This thing's hella small. So this right here is the microphone itself. It also comes in with the built-in microphone, the 3.5 millimeter jack for it. You can also see the Bluetooth button and also what battery percentage is on. And of course the Rode logo. And also on the other side of it, looks like that this is a power button. So I believe all you have to do is press it and turn it on, or maybe hold it and turn it on. Then you should see a little something come up to it. So that's that right there. Let's go ahead and unbox the other piece, which is going to be the transmitter, I believe so, or whatever you guys call this thing. It may be just a not even a yeah, it is a damn transmitter. I'm like, wait, what you call it? Yeah, the transmitter right here. This was going to be on top of you guys' cameras. I don't know if this comes with a shoe mount or something. Maybe you can just clip it onto the camera. I don't know. Maybe you don't even need it on the camera. Who knows, man? But we'll see. But yeah, that's that right there. And let's see. Of course, we got us two wires in here. These both looks like they're going to be charged via USB-C. That's something new. I wasn't surprised. I mean, I'm not entirely so. What the hell am I saying? I'm not that surprised that these little things right here are powered by USB-C. I actually would have hoped for it would have been charged USB-A, but I guess USB-C would go by. Don't ask me why I prefer that, but I mean, a lot of products I've been buying lately, they have been USB-A versus USB-C. It don't make any sense. This world is crazy. But let's go ahead and set up everything. I'm going to cut the video right quick, set it up, and do that quick sound test versus the Pop Voice versus the Rode Video Go. All right, yeah, so we back in. I got the Rode Video Go hooked up straight to the camera. I'll show you guys a little small clip, you know, how I actually got it hooked up. And I hope that this is working. I can see the volumes moving up on the transmitter, but I don't know if it's actually transmitting to the device or either the camera itself. But we'll have to find out one way or another, man. But let's go ahead and talk specs. So with the Rode Wireless Go, of course, I'm gonna read off the box because where else I'm gonna get the facts from, man? Anyway, so yeah, like this is the world's smallest and versatile wireless microphone system. We've heard it before. I don't know if we heard it or not, man. But I hope y'all liking this quality. I don't know what it sounds like. Once I hear it, that's when I'm editing the video, of course. Anyway, so with the Rode Wireless Go, it does come with a 2.4 gigahertz digital transmission. It's an all-in-one microphone or lav belt jack. Our belt package says. This thing also comes up with like 7 hours of battery life. 7 hours of battery life from full charge. There is a second version out already. Now I was going to purchase a second one, but it's like, I don't need 2 microphones right now. And also I looked at the comparison video already, and honestly, they both sound the same a little bit. So who knows, man? But that's pretty much everything about the Rode Wireless Go. So what else I want to do now, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and plug up the lav mic that I was using from Pop Voice, hook it up to this right here in the 3.5 millimeter jack, and let's see, you know, if there's a big difference. Should I actually use a lav mic when I'm actually using this Rode transmitter, or should I actually just use the Rode microphone by itself naked? So let me go ahead and get that in, and we'll cut right back in as well. Yeah, so it looks like, let me fix the mic. All right, man, so like I said, I know I was supposed to do a review of basically, the Rode microphone with the Pop Voice, but it looks like that I need to go and buy another piece. The Rode microphone, it supports, the standard 3.5 millimeter jack. Now the Pop, it does require an additional piece for me to actually perform what I needed to do, which is going to be this Apple Lightning to 3.5 millimeter thing. So this right here acts as like a TS port, I guess you can call it. I think that's what it's called, TS and TSS, I believe so. And I actually don't have that piece for my Pop Voice. So I've actually only been using this Lightning adapter, and as you can tell, don't have one on here. So therefore, what I'm gonna do is I'll just make a follow-up video. Hopefully I go ahead and find the piece somewhere in the store tomorrow, buy it, and then bring it and make another video for this right here. But yeah, man, that's all we got for you guys today, unfortunately. I only got to, unbox the Rode Wireless Go. I hope the sound quality sounds great. This is still the sound quality from the Rode Wireless Go. But like I said, we will be doing more videos in the future that shows you guys more, I guess, of an advantage, basically, because this Wireless Go, you can actually use more. You can use a wired, lav mic to boost the quality of it. The only thing about it is, though, the lav will be hooked up to this, but you can have that little lav on your neck instead of having, the lav. Like me personally, this is how I record my videos. I get my lav mic, I'm plugging it up to my new phone, and it's 2 different channels. So instead of doing that, buy the Rode, connect it to the camera, plug the wire into the camera, and boom, you all good to go, man. So, but yeah, like I said, man, that's all we got for today's video. Definitely do apologize that we can't do it today. I didn't know, I forgot about this microphone, the lav mic hell ago, honestly. But we're going to get that fixed very soon. So until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, and we'll see you next time. Peace.